how to turn on lockdown mode on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on Privacy and Security. Next, scroll down to the bottom. In the Security section, tap on Lockdown Mode and then tap on Turn on Lockdown Mode. Now I said here, turn on this extreme protection if you believe you are being targeted in a cyber attack. Apps, websites, and feature functionality will be limited and some experience may be completely unavailable. So tap on Lockdown Mode and then scroll down and then tap on Turn on Lockdown Mode. Then tap on Turn on and restart. Next, we need to enter the passcode. And the phone is now restarting. So I'm just going to wait for it to boot up. Okay, so the phone is now booting up. It does take a few moments. You just need to be patient and wait for a few seconds. Okay, after that, we can now enter in the passcode. And that's it. We're now in lockdown mode. And if I go into settings in here, you can see in security and privacy. So I'm trying to look for security and privacy. Here it is, privacy and security. And we go down. And here it shows lockdown mode is on. And that's it. If you need to switch it off, you can go back in here and turn it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.